Hi there, in this video I will show you how to connect your Sony E10 camera to Wi-Fi. Let's get started. So this is really handy if you want to quickly transfer photos or videos to your phone or computer wirelessly. For this, press the menu button and go in the network section using the controller. After that, we would need to select Wi-Fi settings and then access point. And after this, tap the camera will start looking for Wi-Fi networks, but note that it only works with 2.4 GHz networks, not 5 GHz. And now we just need to select the right network. Let me find my network, here it is. Then we just need to input the password. For this, press the middle button again. And now you can input the password. So, for example, the first letter in my password is capital S. So I'm gonna tap this middle button 4 times, like this. And then just enter your password with the same steps. And after this, tap the OK button. So now we just need to press the OK button and wait till it will connect to our Wi-Fi. Let's do it. Click OK again and wait till it will connect. And that's it. Now just tap OK button and start using your camera as always. So that was all for now. Hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.